How to recover deleted passwords in Google Chrome. First, open Google Password Manager. Sign into the same Google account you normally use with Chrome. If your passwords are still there, you're good. They weren't actually deleted from your Google account. Google confirms you can manage your Chrome saved passwords directly through Password Manager. Step 2 is to check Chrome itself, so go to this link right here, and you're gonna get all of your passwords here. Step 3 is to check another device. If you have another computer or phone that was previously signed into the same Google account, check its password manager. Fourth, check whether you exported a backup. If you previously exported your Chrome passwords to a CSV file, you can import them back. Chrome supports importing passwords through Chrome. Let's go to the settings, autofill and passwords, Google Password Manager, settings, and then here we have import passwords. If none of these work and you deleted them just now, don't keep opening Chrome on all of your devices. First, check whether another device still has an unsynchronized copy that is potentially your best recovery opportunity. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.